So on your tub, to create a proper drain seal, you've got this little thing, right? It screws in, and you've got some stuff that you put in there, and you put some more stuff in here and whatnot. Well, then, that's all on YouTube. But another thing that they do on YouTube, right? When you're screwing this thing in, they get you to put like a little flathead screwdriver and just kind of pound it in. You know what I mean? Which that's not right, dude. It's 2023. We can figure out better ways of screwing stuff in. So that's exactly what I did. I 3D printed a socket adapter, dude. I mean, look at this. Now it's like I'm working on my Jeep in my house, bro. How dope is that? That's just so good, So, build stuff, dudes. Hell yeah.